I got up easier on that than I did the 250.
Twatted. Oh, fucking hell, I nearly got my arm taken off by that fucking bramble. Oh, she's greasy, alright. Fuck me, that's greasy. Ah. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Here we go. That's the funniest crash I've ever had.
You out?
No, it literally just spun round.
You got it back, I'll get front. On 3, 1, 2, 3 up.
Oh, that's hilarious, mate.
That is funny.
Look at that. I got, as I come up to here, I just sort of went to go in this bit and it just caught the back end.
Yeah.
And I just thought, I'm going to keep it like a heroic power slide, and it just instantly went all the way around. Look at the front wheel.
Yeah. Well, I got up easier on that than I did the 250.
After you, mate. I'm filming. I wasn't filming before. Come on, girl. Oh, these are so deep compared to what they used to be. Yeah. Quite surprised at that, but you'd think that would be harder. Yeah. Yeah. Hang on. Something's obviously altered because it wasn't doing that to you before, was it? You're too close, mate, to that. It's up. Yeah. Stay there, I've got it. Karl gets stuck in the woods. Oh yeah, they wouldn't allow that. I don't know about that, mate. I crashed twice today already. Twatted. Oh, I'm trying to put my mic mini back in. Oh, that's hilarious, mate. I was just looking up, and as I looked, I thought, what's he up to? Oh, fuck. Oh, he got my bike and everything, look at it.